In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on password and security. Then scroll down again, click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, select accept at the bottom right corner and click on turn on rise to wake to switch off or on this feature. When you're ready, just create now. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. After that, adjust all of those options however you wish to and click on home button. Now when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!